Hi, in this video we're going to quickly show how to download and install Python. This video won't be very long for the fact that installing Python is rather simple. To do this, we're going to go to python.org/downloads. Once you're here, you should see this page, and we are looking to download the latest version, or at least 3.6 or higher. So we're going to go ahead and, as you can see, the downloads page new to take me to the Windows version because I am on a Windows machine. So I'm going to download Python. As you can see, it's a rather quick download. We'll go ahead and click it to install. If you need to customize where to install, this would be where you want to do the install. Before we do that, we want to add Python 3.9 to our path. And because I don't need to install this in a different path or any customizations otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and just use the install now. Click that. I did get a security pop-up asking me if I wanted to allow this, and I went ahead and said yes. As you can see, it's installing rather fast. And there we go. Setup was successful. To utilize Python, we can go to our Windows and we can look for Python, the IDLE. We can also Windows R key to get the run command. Type Python. And when we do, our window will pop up. And we can go ahead and test. We now know that it's working. There you have it. Python is now installed and ready to go.